Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do affiliate marketing with little money. So as you could see my screen, recently I got a comment from one of my followers named Himanshu Patil. So he has little money, so around 10,000 rupees, which is AED to USD, which is around INR. INR to USD, which is okay, only this much amount of money. Okay, so which is a lot. Okay, so this much amount of money, and if you ask me what to do, okay, $110. So I know I look weird because guys, I was making a case study for y'all guys, so I hope by day or two I'm gonna get up the case study, so that's fine. So how do I make money with only $100? Okay, so I wouldn't suggest ClickBank at all, guys. So ClickBank is just if you have a lot of money. So if you have $300 to $500, then I would go for ClickBank, because you need a lot of tools for ClickBank as well. You need a landing page software. You can use WordPress or ClickFunnels 15-day trial, and you need a tracking link as well. Okay, so for now, if you have $100, what you do is go on Max Bounty. Okay, what's this? It's a CPA network. I'm gonna give you the tips and tricks. CPA network. So CPA offers. So think about this. Okay, go on browse or search. Go on search. You just select United States. Okay, so you get a free diaper. Okay, so everyone loves free. Okay, everyone loves free Amazon gift card, free makeup. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do it as well. So just giving you an example. So basically CPM marketing is when you get an email submit. Okay, you get money. Okay, cost per action. CPA means cost per action. So if I go over here, get yes. Okay, so if I do this thing and then I just put my email ID, I will get the money. Okay, so this is how it is. You can run these offers a lot. The way you run these offers are very easy as well. So this is my Facebook, guys. So it's a new account, just opened January because my old account got banned. It's fine, doesn't matter. What you do is search on top free pampers. Okay, people are doing this a lot. See, create a page and write 3.2k followers, we're giving away free pampers. Okay, post. Okay, 4 comment, just run engagement ads. Okay, pages, go on pages, free. If I go back on Max Bounty, free diaper samples, free DIA samples. So see, same thing, it's the same link, right? I believe, yeah, it's the same link. Okay, so people are making a lot of money with this. I've seen people making $200 to $300 with this. Okay, just put your email ID, do it. You can do Facebook, you can do a lot of other things, you can do Instagram. So I know someone was doing some gift cards, yeah, in UK. See, even iPhone is there. So earning per click. So we are, it's gonna be sweepstakes. Okay, you can do surveys as well, where do the survey and get paid. So we're gonna do sweepstakes. So win an iPhone 11. Okay, so you can run ads on Facebook, but Facebook is kind of really tricky. But once you come to know how to do it, because I made $600-700, but then my account got banned. Not because of this, because I was running some other ClickBank offer. So again, so the more the CPA, the more the form. So you see they're paying you $24, but people have to put a lot of information. So check something which is very easy. yeah, Home Depot gift card. So basically it's like some Walmart in UK. Okay, so get some free samples, so everyone can type this thing and then you can get 3.2 lead per dollar. You can do search as well, you can do search, display, but I like to go Facebook on this because you can run a lot of campaigns, make money. Okay, once you know which one's working. So I'll give you one example as well. Free, let's go American gift card. So see, everyone, it's all win a free iPhone, win a free Xbox. There was one for Wally. Where did it go? Wally, I don't know, Australia, some just like Walmart in Australia. Okay, so someone was running that offer personally, making $200-300 every day. But just for now, I'm gonna give you one more example. PS5 giveaway. PS5 giveaway. Pages. You see, there are a lot of pages. They're doing the same thing. Free PlayStation giveaway. Same thing. Imagine 139 comments. So imagine, think about it. It's this thing, or yeah, this one. Even 10 people click. Everyone who doesn't want a free PS5, right? So you can just run all these offers and then make good money. So I think so that's it for today, guys. This one's really good. So, but the best thing is this one, Ryan. Okay, so he is my affiliate manager, so ask him which offer is working. Okay, just call him up. I always talk to him on Skype or just message him. He's a really good guy. He always sends me messages, so I'm just gonna show it to you right now. So as you could see over here, I think so he sent me on Feb. So surely you need to be in touch with your affiliate. So you can just sign up over here, Max Bounty. It's very easy. You can suggest my name as well. Say Yavar suggested me. Even you can browse. You can see the top. Okay, but guys, trust me, guys. Okay, yeah, this one, credit score. Check something which is cheap. Life point is $3. So you want to go low. Okay, it doesn't mean you're not gonna make money. You're gonna make money as well. This survey is okay. Someone puts their email ID, password, and creates sign up for free. You earn $3. Okay, so it's attraction, and also there's a science behind it. So you do more. So EPC means earning per click. So you know you don't have to spend no more than 60 cents. Okay, so imagine even with 3 clicks you get 0.60. So this into this. Okay, even with 4 clicks. Okay, and if you're making 20 cents, okay, 30 cents, 0.30. Okay, 0. Okay, even with this thing, so imagine you get 1000 clicks. Okay, or just get 500 clicks. Yeah, you're gonna make some good amount of money in the beginning. Once you start making money, then you can jump towards ClickBank, or even over here search or browse top, and then you can run these offers or trending ones. So I would always suggest go with trending ones because less competition. So you can run this one shot keto, win an iPhone 11 Pro, all these things you can run. So I hope I answer your questions, and the case study is coming up soon. Hopefully by tonight I'll get the results, and tomorrow I'm gonna share it with you all.